Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am glad you are here today. Today the episode is about how I spend my weekend. I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use simple words. I will give many examples. I will give practice sentences. I will help you speak about your weekend. Weekends are a good time to relax. Weekends are a good time to see friends. Weekends are a good time to do hobbies. Weekends are a good time to try new things. I will tell you about my weekend. I will show you simple sentences you can use. You can copy my sentences. You can change some words. You can make your own sentences. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat. I will show a short monologue conversation. I will play both parts. I will show simple questions and answers. Hello, my name is Ben. I live in a small town in the United States. I am a teacher. I like coffee. I like to walk in the park. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. Where do you live? I live near the city. What do you do on the weekend? I will tell you about my weekend. I get up early on Saturday. I make breakfast at home. I drink coffee. I read the news. I go to the park to walk. I meet a friend at the park. We walk and we talk. We sit on a bench. We watch birds. We feel happy. In the afternoon, I go to the store. I buy food for dinner. I cook at home. I like to cook simple meals. I make pasta. I make salad. I watch a movie in the evening. I sleep early on Saturday night. On Sunday I wake up later. I have a big breakfast. I call my family. I speak with my sister. We talk about our week. I clean the house a little. I do some laundry. I read a book in the afternoon. I go to a class sometimes. I may go to a language class. I practice English. In the evening I relax. I plan for the week. I go to bed early. That is my weekend. Now I will give more examples. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Pause the video now if you want. Repeat my sentences again. Repeat after me, I wake up at 7 o'clock on Saturday. Repeat after me, I eat breakfast at home. Repeat after me, I go to the park with a friend. Repeat after me, I cook dinner on Saturday night. Repeat after me, I sleep late on Sunday. Let us practice more sentences. I will say a sentence and then I will say it again slowly. You can repeat after me. You can copy my voice. You can make your voice strong. On Saturday morning I get coffee and toast. I read a short article. I put on my shoes. I go to the park. The park is near my house. I walk on the trail. I see trees and flowers. I meet my friend Tom. Tom is from my neighborhood. We say hello. We walk for 30 minutes. We speak about work and family. We laugh and we smile. On the way home I buy bread at a small store. I carry the bread home. I wash the dishes. I watch a movie in the late afternoon. I rest on the couch. I enjoy the quiet time. I prepare a simple dinner. I call my parents after dinner. I tell them about my day. I say good night and I sleep. On Sunday morning I like to sleep a little longer. I take a long shower. I cook pancakes for breakfast. I read a magazine. I do the laundry. I water the plants. I check my email. I write a short plan for the week. I go for a short run in the park. I feel good after the run. I make a salad for lunch. I meet a friend for coffee in the afternoon. We sit at a small cafe. We talk about books. We talk about travel. I return home before dinner. I cook a light meal. I watch the news. I go to bed early to start the week with energy. Now I will give some questions you can ask. These are good questions for a conversation. Repeat them after me. You can pause and repeat each question. Repeat after me, what do you do on the weekend? Repeat after me. Do you like to travel on the weekend? Repeat after me. Do you go to the park on Sunday? Repeat after me. Do you cook at home on the weekend? Repeat after me. Who do you see on the weekend? Now I will give sample answers. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I visit my family on the weekend. Repeat after me. I like to relax at home on the weekend. Repeat after me. I play sports with my friends on Saturday. Repeat after me. I read books on Sunday. Repeat after me. I clean my house on Sunday morning. Now I will show short role-play lines. I will speak for two people. I will use simple names. I will speak slowly. You can repeat the lines. You can act both parts. You can pause the video and practice. Friend, hi Ben, how was your weekend? Ben, it was good, thank you. I went to the park and I cooked dinner. Friend, did you meet anyone? Ben, yes, I met a friend from work. We walked and we talked. Friend, that sounds nice. What did you cook? Ben, I made pasta with salad. It was simple and tasty. Friend, did you watch a movie? Ben, yes, I watched a comedy film. It made me laugh. Friend, do you want to go to the park next Saturday? Ben, yes, I would like that. Let us meet at 9 in the morning. Friend, great. See you then. Ben, see you then. In the middle of a conversation, you can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Try to say the same sentence with the same feeling. This will help your speaking and your memory. Now I will give extra vocabulary words about the weekend. I will give the word and a simple definition. Repeat after me. Repeat after me, weekend, days at the end of the week. Repeat after me, relax to rest and feel calm. Repeat after me, hobby, something you do for fun. Repeat after me, friend, a person you like. Repeat after me, park, a place with trees and grass. Repeat after me, movie, a film that you watch. Repeat after me, breakfast, the first meal of the day. Repeat after me, dinner, the evening meal. Repeat after me, clean, to make a place tidy. Repeat after me, run, to move quickly on your feet. Now I will give more example sentences with these words. Repeat after me. Repeat after me, I relax at home on Sunday. Repeat after me, I play my hobby on Saturday. Repeat after me, I meet a friend at the park. Repeat after me, we watch a movie on Saturday night. Repeat after me, I cook dinner for my family. You can change the words. Let us practice with different activities. I will say the base sentence. You can change the activity. I will give some examples. I go to the park on Saturday morning. I go to the gym on Saturday morning. I go to the market on Saturday morning. I go to the library on Saturday morning. I go to the coffee shop on Saturday morning. I cook dinner on Saturday night. I order food on Saturday night. I eat out on Saturday night. I try a new recipe on Saturday night. I invite friends to dinner on Saturday night. I read a book on Sunday afternoon. I study English on Sunday afternoon. I watch a movie on Sunday afternoon. I take a nap on Sunday afternoon. I clean my house on Sunday afternoon. Now I will show past tense sentences. These are good if you tell what you did last weekend. I will speak slowly. Repeat after me. Repeat after me, last weekend I visited my parents. Repeat after me, last weekend I went to the beach. Repeat after me, last weekend I cooked a big meal. Repeat after me, last weekend I watched a new film. Repeat after me, last weekend I cleaned my room. Now present continuous sentences. Use these when you speak about what you are doing this weekend. Repeat after me. Repeat after me, this weekend I am visiting a friend. Repeat after me, this weekend I am learning a new recipe. Repeat after me, this weekend I am reading a new book. Repeat after me, this weekend I am meeting people at the park. Repeat after me, this weekend I am resting and saving energy. Now I will tell you a long sample monologue about a weekend. Listen and repeat in parts. You can pause after each sentence. You can copy my voice and my speed. On Saturday I wake up at 7. I make coffee and toast. I check my phone for messages. I dress in comfortable clothes. I walk to the park near my house. The air is fresh and the sky is clear. I meet my friend at the bench near the lake. We walk slowly and we talk about our week. We laugh and we share small news. After the walk I go to a small market. I buy fresh fruit and bread. I return home and I wash the fruit. I prepare a simple lunch. I clean the dishes and I read a short chapter of a book. In the afternoon I call my sister. We talk for 30 minutes. We plan to meet next month. In the evening I cook pasta and I watch a comedy movie. I enjoy the film and I go to bed at 10. On Sunday I sleep later than Saturday. I make pancakes and I drink orange juice. I clean the house for a short time. I do the laundry and I water the plants in the balcony. I go for a short run in the park in the late morning. I meet a friend at a cafe in the afternoon. We talk about travel and books. I return home and I prepare a light dinner. I pack some clothes for work on Monday. I check my email and I make a small plan for the week. I feel calm and ready to start the new week. I go to bed early to have a good rest. Now I will give some tips for a good weekend. I will give simple and clear tips. Repeat after me. Repeat after me, plan one fun activity for the weekend. Repeat after me, rest for at least 1 hour on Sunday. Repeat after me, try a new recipe 1 time a month. Repeat after me, meet a friend and speak about your week. Repeat after me, do a small task for the house each Saturday. Now I will give practice tasks you can do at home. These will help your English. Do one task each weekend. Task 1, speak for 1 minute about your last weekend. Use simple sentences. Start with I did. Use past tense. Task 2, write 5 sentences about your next weekend. Use future tense and simple words. Task 3, learn 5 new words from the list and use them in a sentence. Task 4, practice the short role play with a friend or in front of a mirror. You can pause the video and take notes. You can repeat sentences until you feel comfortable. You can record your voice and listen again. This helps you improve. Now I will give a final long practice section. I will speak and you can repeat. I will speak slowly. Pause and repeat each sentence if you need more time. I like to wake up early on Saturday. I like to walk in the park with friends. I like to cook a good meal for dinner. I like to read a book on Sunday afternoon. I like to call my family and hear their voice. I like to plan my week on Sunday evening. I try to rest and sleep well. I feel happy after a calm weekend. You can now try to say 5 sentences about your weekend. Try to use these words: park, friend, cook, read, relax. Say the sentences out loud. You can pause the video while you speak. Then play the video again. That is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you feel ready to speak about your weekend. I hope you enjoyed the exercises. I hope you practice and feel more confident. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.